Every failure has a signal before it becomes a problem. PulseFilm is a paper-thin vibration sensor film designed to detect subtle motion, impact, and structural stress directly from the surface. It installs like a decal, processes data locally, and can help identify anomalies before they become mission-impacting failures. For shipboard equipment, propulsion systems, structural monitoring, and predictive maintenance, PulseFilm. Real-time equipment health. No retrofit required.